Looking at pound yen on the weekly chart here, you can see that price has really rallied out of the out of the 125 demand zone, and it's been coming up here for the past few months, and now it's kind of gotten itself into somewhat of a wedge, and we won't get too heavy into the price action, but it's a very common price action pattern that we are looking at here, and therefore we are looking to see price rally long term. Again, this is long term into the 159.81 zone. Here on the daily time frame, you can see again the same type of pattern. We're in this big chocolate zone that we've been stumbling around in here for a while, and we found support here at the 136.76 demand zone, and we're continuing to really wedge into things. So I'm looking for the breakout of that wedge to happen very shortly to the upside, and possibly this week with a nice push above the previous high here at 174. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is again wedging really tightly. It's found support here at 139.14, and it looks like we could be breaking that wedge here in the next week. So I'm really excited about this one and seeing if we can't grab the rally to the upside again as we break the 147 supply level up here where last year's high was. On the Aussie dollar this week, I'm looking at price continuing to fall here down to the 72.92 demand zone. And as it falls, and I think it's really given us that confirmation that price will continue to fall down here. And as it falls this week, I'm looking for us to really wait for support to happen right inside the zone. And possibly it might even fall through this zone down here to the 69.85 level as well. But again, nothing has told us that the trend to the downside overall is done with. We are in the middle of a big weekly range, and at the extreme of the big weekly range up here at this chocolate supply level from 76.86 up to 78.48. Looking at the daily time frame, you can see that price is retesting the daily demand level from 75.18 down to 74.58. Now this is a good retracement area, and I feel like this level is weak as well, beating the weekly support zone, and I think it can beat this daily support level as well, and we could continue to fall down there to the south side as again we're in the top part of the big weekly range. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have this nice purple zone below us, and again it just looks like it can do nothing but fall down to that point here. We may see a slight retracement back up here to the blue zone slash previous highs, or excuse me, previous lows, but overall I think that we're going to continue our way to the south side.